Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 trigger isn't working, you may be experiencing a common issue that can prevent your vacuum from turning on. This problem typically occurs due to wear and tear or a fault in the trigger mechanism itself. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, ultimately rendering your vacuum unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger assembly specifically for the Dyson SV12. Begin by ensuring the vacuum is unplugged. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the vacuum cleaner. Start at the back where the trigger is located, taking care to avoid damaging any clips or surrounding components. Once opened, locate the trigger mechanism. It's usually situated along the handle, connected to the main body of the vacuum. Gently pull it out, ensuring that you do not tug on any attached wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement trigger assembly and align it with the connectors in the handle. Make sure it fits snugly into place. You will notice that there are screws securing it. Using your Phillips screwdriver, tighten these screws carefully without applying too much force to avoid stripping them. Next, double-check that all cables are securely connected, as loose wires can cause the trigger to malfunction. Once everything is back in place, reattach the casing of the vacuum cleaner, ensuring all clips are secure. It's a good idea to test the trigger before fully closing it to confirm that it works properly. If it does, proceed to close the casing completely and secure it with the screws. Lastly, plug in your Dyson SV12 and test the trigger to make sure everything is functioning as it should. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your Dyson SV12, paying close attention to the trigger area. Additionally, avoid using the vacuum on excessively wet surfaces as this can lead to moisture buildup in the trigger mechanism. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.